Crash course on Canadian business culture and regional differences. Canada is known for its friendly and welcoming culture, and this extends to its business culture as well. In this crash course on Canadian business culture, we will discuss the values and practices that are important to Canadians in the workplace. 1. Politeness and respect. Canadians value politeness and respect in all aspects of life, including in the workplace. It is important to be courteous and considerate to colleagues and clients alike, and to avoid being confrontational or aggressive. Canadians typically address colleagues and clients by their first names, and often use please and thank you when making requests. 2. Punctuality. Canadians value punctuality, and being on time to meetings and appointments is important. It is considered rude to be late without a valid reason, and it is common to apologize for being even a few minutes late. 3. Teamwork. Collaboration and teamwork are highly valued in Canadian business culture. This means working together to achieve common goals and being supportive of colleagues. Canadians are known for their consensus-building approach, and decision-making often involves input from multiple stakeholders. 4. Work-life balance. Canadians place a high value on work-life balance, and it is common to prioritize family and personal time over work commitments. Many companies offer flexible work arrangements, such as telecommuting or flex time, to help employees balance their personal and professional lives. 5. Diversity and inclusion. Canada is a diverse country, and Canadians are proud of their multiculturalism. In the workplace, diversity and inclusion are highly valued, and companies are often proactive in promoting diversity and inclusivity in their hiring practices and company culture. One interesting example of Canadian business culture is the concept of poutine diplomacy. Poutine is a Canadian dish made with French fries, cheese curds, and gravy, and it is often served in informal settings as a comfort food. In recent years, Canadian politicians and diplomats have used poutine as a tool for building relationships with foreign counterparts. For example, in 2017, Canadian Prime Minister Justin Trudeau served poutine to the visiting Mexican president as a way of promoting trade and friendship between the two countries. Another example of Canadian business culture is the tradition of Timbits at meetings. Timbits are small, bite-sized donuts sold at the Canadian coffee chain Tim Hortons, and they are often brought to meetings as a snack or as a way of breaking the ice. In some workplaces, it is customary to assign someone to bring Timbits to meetings, and it is seen as a way of fostering a friendly and collaborative atmosphere. Regional cultural differences. Canada is a large country with diverse regional cultures, and this is reflected in the differences in business cultures across the country. Here are some examples of regional differences in Canadian business culture. A. Western Canada. Western Canada, which includes the provinces of British Columbia, Alberta, Saskatchewan, and Manitoba, is known for its entrepreneurial spirit and a focus on innovation. Many successful startups have emerged from this region, and there is a strong culture of risk-taking and venture capital investment. In addition, Western Canadians tend to be more informal in their business dealings and may use first names more frequently than other regions. B. Central Canada. Central Canada, which includes the provinces of Ontario and Quebec, is known for its large urban centres, including Toronto and Montreal, and a highly skilled workforce. There is a strong emphasis on education and professional qualifications in this region, and many businesses are led by highly educated executives. In addition, Quebec has a unique business culture that is influenced by its French language and culture. C. Atlantic Canada. Atlantic Canada, which includes the provinces of Nova Scotia, New Brunswick, Prince Edward Island, and Newfoundland and Labrador, is known for its friendly and collaborative business culture. There is a strong emphasis on relationships and building trust, and it is common for business meetings to be preceded by small talk and pleasantries. Atlantic Canadians also tend to be more reserved in their communication style than other regions. D. Northern Canada. Northern Canada, which includes the territories of Yukon, Northwest Territories, and Nunavut, has a unique business culture that is influenced by its remote geography and Indigenous cultures. Many businesses in this region are focused on natural resource extraction and the environment, and there is a strong emphasis on sustainability and environmental stewardship. In addition, Indigenous cultures have a strong presence in this region, and businesses may need to be sensitive to Indigenous customs and traditions. In summary, Canadian business culture is characterized by politeness, respect, teamwork, work-life balance, diversity, and inclusivity. The traditions of poutine diplomacy and timbits at meetings are just two examples of the unique and friendly aspects of Canadian business culture that make it an attractive place to work and do business. Furthermore, Canadian business culture varies across the regions of the country, and businesses operating in different regions may need to be aware of these differences and adjust their strategies accordingly. Some of the key differences include a focus on entrepreneurship and innovation in Western Canada, a highly skilled workforce in Central Canada, a friendly and collaborative culture in Atlantic Canada, and a unique cultural mix in Northern Canada influenced by remote geography and Indigenous cultures. We hope this video has given you a taste of all the incredible experiences Canada has to offer. If you're ready to start planning your own adventure to Canada, please ensure to use our booking.com referral link. https://www.booking.com/index.html?8 = 7989335 to book your flights, hotels, car rentals, local attractions, and more. It's an easy and kind way to support this channel and make sure you get the best possible deals on your trip. Thank you. Anhub Metaverse team at Vancouver, Canada, CA.